Hey there, this is Hashim with D4S Pressure Washing. We're here with a video. I'm just here waiting on the water right now. We're here on a job. We're doing a small little patio deck, and I'm gonna wash off the screen for the customer. She didn't call for the screen, but the patio deck is already small and we already paying us good, so why not go ahead and knock out a little bit extra for the customer. So right now I'm waiting for water. I'm almost filled up. You can see the tank already almost filled. Water ran, hose already pulled to the back. We're going that way. The water hookup is that way, and surface cleaner in the back. I'm about to start the equipment and get it going. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all the job, and then we're gonna start cleaning. All right, here's the job. See, we got our hose ran. Customer trying to get the pool all clean now. It's an older customer. She says she just lived by herself, and over the summer we had a lot of rain in the last month, and she said it turned the pool and back here was nasty, so she's just trying to get it all back clean. So she said her pool guy was here. He treat the pool. He's gonna come back after they clear up and vacuum the bottom. But this is the job right here. So dirty that looks, we're gonna get it all cleaned up. See under here, look a little bit better. She had a mat right here. You see how that's how those pavers are supposed to look. And we'll get them clean. We don't know how they're gonna look when they come up, but it definitely will be clean. And you see the screen? You see it got a little bit of green right there. We're gonna get all that cleaned up for you. Stay tuned. Got everything all soaked down. See, the pool screen wasn't really involved in this project, but it had a little bit of dirt. It wasn't too bad, so I'm just gonna knock out the sides for her. She'll appreciate it. Something you're doing extra for the customer. It literally only take me 5 extra minutes to soak that down. I'm gonna let that sit. Surface clean this floor. Go ahead and rinse it. And we're gonna ask for a review. That's how we go. You get a good review when you do a little bit extra. You never know. Alright, the job all finished. We got it all cleaned up. Hit the sides of the screen. See everything looking clean. She can see straight through. Hair was all nasty. Customer already happy with the job. I ain't even talked to her, but she was knocking on the window, say with thumbs up, thumbs up. She was happy. Now she just got to get this cleaned up and she'll be good. But I tell her don't finish cleaning the pool until I get to hit this, because the pool gonna get dirty right back up. So if you already got to get it clean, just wait. Close the screen door. Looking all nice. I washed off her patio furniture for her. I did just rinsed down the windows. They were dusty, nothing too bad. The window seals, you know how that is, it gets dirty. So I just rinsed that off for her. And down here, 5 minutes extra. This job will take me 45 minutes at most. Take care of your customers. Don't remember, if you need pressure washing services, paver sealing, house wash, roof washing, don't forget to call D4S Pressure Washing. We're located in Tampa Bay. We cover the surrounding areas. Just give us a call. We'll give you an estimate. And